10 proven strategies for building a successful YouTube channel. 1. Consistency is key. Try to upload videos on a regular schedule to keep your audience engaged. 2. Quality content. Make sure your content is high quality, unique, and relevant to your audience. 3. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Partnering with other YouTubers in your niche can help grow your audience. 4. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags for search. This will help your videos appear in relevant searches and increase your discoverability. 5. Engage with your audience, respond to comments and messages, and ask for feedback and suggestions. 6. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing potential viewers will see, so make sure it's visually appealing and accurately represents the content of the video. 7. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on other platforms to expand your reach. 8. Be authentic and genuine. Don't try to be someone you're not. Viewers appreciate honesty and authenticity. 9. Learn from analytics. Pay attention to your analytics to understand what content is resonating with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. 10. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay committed and keep producing quality content, and your audience will grow over time.